Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to create a logo design based on alphabet letter N. So first of all, select the pen tool. Make sure your fill color is none and stroke is 10 point. Click here and make a shape like this. Select. Now click the swap button. Fill any color you want. For now I'm going to use this gradient. Click here, go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Now select the rotate tool, double click on preview and fill 180 degree. Okay. Now position your second shape, select both, right click and go. Your logo design is ready. Please make sure you are going to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.